Chartwell Estate, Los Angeles. Now picture this. You're driving through Bel-Air, one of the wealthiest neighborhoods in Los Angeles, and suddenly, you pass by a mansion that looks straight out of a Hollywood fantasy. Massive gates, 25,000 square feet of pure luxury, and gardens so perfect they look like they belong in a royal palace. Welcome to Chartwell Estate, an architectural masterpiece that sold for a mind-blowing $150 million. If this mansion looks familiar, there's a reason. It was the iconic home featured in the Beverly Hillbillies, the classic TV show that made it famous. But there's nothing hillbilly about this estate. It's got a 75-foot swimming pool, grand ballrooms, a hidden wine cellar, and some of the best views in Los Angeles. So who was rich enough to snatch up this legendary property? Enter Lachlan Murdoch, the billionaire son of media mogul Rupert Murdoch. As the heir to the Fox media empire, Lachlan had no problem dropping $150 million on this ultra-luxurious estate in 2019, making it the most expensive home ever sold in California at the time. But here's the kicker. He got a serious deal. The house was originally listed for $350 million, meaning he bought it for less than half the asking price. Talk about knowing when to strike. So, the real question is, if you had $150 million, would you buy a historic Hollywood mansion or something more modern?